Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the February 2021 Sew Sampler box. If you're new to Sew Sampler boxes, they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They retail for $24.95 a month plus shipping, and they come with fabric, patterns, notions, and other fun goodies inside. I'll make sure to put a link in the description box below this video where you can get the Sew Sampler, but for now let's take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So this month's theme is Make a Splash, and there is a 20% off Aurifil thread coupon on the back, so super handy. And Aurifil thread is one of my favorites. I always use their 50 weight, and I typically use the colorway 2021. It's just a nice soft creamy white, and it kind of goes with everything. So I kind of use that all the time. I have a cone on my machine, and I have it in my bobbin, and then of course I have some fun colors up on top for when I'm adding bindings or doing smaller projects where I kind of want my thread to blend in. You can also use really fun color thread to make your quilting pop as well. Of course, it has its little insert that comes inside the box. It tells you retail prices for everything and a little bit of information on each product. And I'm gonna go ahead and just start with the first thing here. This is the Greatest Hits block. This is a monthly block that comes with your Sew Sampler. They run for an entire year, so you'll get a different block for each box throughout the year. Once you get all 12 blocks, they will usually send you finishing instructions on how to put all those blocks together so you can have a cool, fun sampler quilt. This is probably my favorite block out of this Greatest Hits series. I really like the block. You can also get these patterns on the Fat Quarter Shop website for $4.98. So the next thing in my box is this mystery spool of 50 weight Aurifil thread, and I got this really pretty yellow color, and these retail for $4.98, and it says, what is your happy hue in this color combo lottery? Let's find out. Sew Sampler members will receive a surprise thread color in this month's box. Show us what color splashes up in your box. This small 50 weight thread from Aurifil will certainly find its place in your color factory quilt. And mine is color 2110, if you guys are interested. It is a really fun, pretty lemon yellow color and just super bright and colorful. So I think it's really fun that they are putting in different colors for this month's box, so everybody's gonna get something different. I would like to know what you guys got in your box. Leave it in the comments below. So the next thing in my box here is this super cute teal magnetic spool pin holder, and this is a Sew Sampler got it first. This retails for $4.48, so very affordable, and it says, we aren't spooling around, this is the sweetest pin holder in town. This spool actually is a cleverly disguised pin cushion with 12 coordinating pins and a hidden magnet. I actually got something very similar. This is actually a wooden spool, and it feels like it's got some kind of maybe elastic wrapped around it, and then maybe it's kind of like glued or tied or something right there, but super cute. I did get something really similar to this in my Stitch Supply Co. Advent calendar, and it was all ceramic, and I thought it was really cool and I really liked it, so I still have that over there. But this one is super cute, and I like that it's kind of more colorful. The ceramic one had been glazed, and so it's definitely a more kind of muted neutral tone, but this one is super bright and colorful, and I just think it's super cute. So the next thing in our box is this water-soluble pencil set, and it says, this clever notion has the coolest vanishing trick. The water-soluble pencils from Clover glide on easily and wash away with a wipe of water. With 3 colors, you can use them on any color fabric. These pencils are great for quilting standards with flying colors, includes pink, blue, and white, and these retail for $6.98. Let's take a look. They're sticking to the packaging. Uh-oh, I lost a lid. Product opening fail happening right now. So here they are up close, and these are really cute, fun colors. And like I said, they come in 3 different colors, so you can use them on different fabrics. So if you have a darker fabric, the white one works really well. And then if you have a lighter fabric, you can use the blue, and I don't know, use the pink on whatever you want, I guess. Just your average pencil, but they're like chalky pencils or something, water-soluble pencils. And I actually really like getting stuff like this in my boxes because I don't usually buy these for myself. When they come in my box, it's kind of fun because I have a little stash of different kind of marking tools over there, and you just use whatever one is appropriate for the project you're working on. Okay, let's take a look at this month's pattern. So this is the Color Factory quilt pattern, and it's exclusively for Sew Sampler box, and it retails for $9.98, and it says bright dynamic colors, and my favorite color is Moda quilt panel, make the best color combo. This rainbow inspired Color Factory quilt comes together in a jiffy and will leave you absolutely tickled pink. And then it says, let's get started. No need for a finishing kit this month. Just pick up 1 3/8 or 1/8 yards of Bella Solid 9900-200 for the background. 1 3/8 yard. And then it uses a variety of different Bella solids for this outer border here. It finishes at 48.5 by 54.5 inches. Super cute. And actually, I think this would be a really cute quilt to have hanging in your room, because as you're doing different patterns and fabrics and things like that, you can just look at this and see which of the Moda solids matches your fabric that you have on hand. And so I think it would not only be super cute, but also very practical and helpful. All right, and last but definitely not least is the fabric bundle for this month's box. This is my favorite color is Moda Quilt Kit. It's curated by Fat Quarter Shop featuring Moda fabrics, of course, and this is a sew sampler, got it first as well. And this kit retails for $32.98, and it says, like a kid with a new box of crayons, we can't wait for you to try out every single color in this special bundle. My favorite color is Moda Quilt Panel, boasts every beautiful color in the Bella Solids range with 12 specifically selected Bella Solid Fat 8s to accompany it. So here it is, and it's got all of the colors. I don't want to take it apart because I'll never get it folded back up, but it does come with a fun variety of little Fat 8s, just like it said. So there you go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yep, 12 of them. So there are 12 of them in there. So you can see the different colors on both sides, and then it's got the polka dot panel with all of the Bella solids on it. And like I said, I think this would be a really cute quilt to have hanging in your sewing room. Not only is it fun and colorful, but also super functional, and you can see all the different solids that Moda has to offer so you can match up your projects. So here's everything that came in your box this month. The retail value for all of this is $64.38, which is a pretty good value considering the box itself was only $24.95. And I'm holding it all up because I think I love everything in this month's box. I think the pattern and fabric is super cute, and I do plan on putting it together. It looks really fast and easy, and really the only part of sewing that you have to do is kind of the border edges, and you could even skip that if you really just want the panel hanging in your room. So super easy. I love the thread color. Don't have that one yet. I think this little pin holder is super cute. And of course, I love any kind of marking tools. So I'm really happy with this month's box. Leave a comment below letting me know what color thread you got and also what your favorite product from this month's unboxing was. And if you like this video, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making them for you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the February 2020 Sew Sampler. And it's upside down. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the 2021 February. We're home. Thanks, Sam. Keep the dog quiet. Of course, they always have the little insert here that tells everything that comes in this month's box. It also tells you another kid.
What does this look like to you?
Chick-fil-A bag.
Yeah, but it's from McDonald's.
I saw it last time. Huh? I saw it last time.
No, it was different last time. It was at least a little different. Now
I
they
thought
have it red and white.
I don't know. Okay, yeah.
She's copying Chick-fil-A.
Also, I can hear a kid coming. And there is the said kid that I said I could hear coming.
What?
Thanks for interrupting my video for that important question. So I have a cone of that on my machine and in my bobbin. And then I have a cone of that in my machine and in my bob. I wonder if there's a better way. Okay. At least this thing isn't, you know, I can hold them and not have it fall. Okay.